Hi all, and welcome to my series on Asana. If you haven't seen my introductory video that talks you through the basics of Asana, you may want to watch that first. There'll be a link in the description. But in this video, we're going to be focusing on communicating with your team using Asana. So let's jump into it. So we're back in Asana today, and we'll be looking at how to communicate with your team in Asana. You can do this on multiple levels. You can do it on your team-wide level. You can do it on a project-wide level, and you can do it on a task level. We're going to start off at the bottom with the task, and that's pretty simple. You can click on your task, and at the bottom here is a comment section. So we have actually set this up, and we have started recording. It says that it was due yesterday, so I can say, has this been set up yet? Question mark. Just click the comment. You can use emojis if you're all that way inclined. I do enjoy a good emoji. You can also attach files here. We'll talk about that later. Or you can mention someone. So since we've been in here last, I've added Anne to the team. And I can say at Anne. And she'll get a message directly. That'll go into her inbox. Be up here. And she'll be able to reply directly on the task. So we can talk about individual tasks and subtasks there. And we can mark that one as complete because I have done that. In order to do it on a project-wide level, I think this is pretty cool. We use this quite often if we need to talk about a particular topic that's related to a singular project. Just go up and click the More button and then Conversations, and you'll be taken into this screen. It says Anne will be notified because Anne is now in this team and on this project. How is this project coming along? Question mark. Now, I've set Anne up on another computer here, and I'm going to pretend to be her for a moment. And it's very simple. As you can see, it's going great. Thanks. And so in real time, you can have a back and forth conversation. Again, you can at each other at this point. And you can use smiley face. Great. Come on. Now, that's all well and good if you're talking about a particular task or a particular project, but what if you need to go to a big picture? Well, Asana has you covered there as well. If you click on your whole team, so in this case, we're going to click on the marketing team, we get an overview of everyone in the team, the various projects that are on in that team. And up here in the top, just under where it says marketing, there's conversations. We can have a team-wide discussion here. And everyone in the team will be able to see that. So if I had multiple people here, we could all discuss it, even if they weren't on a particular project. So say your entire marketing team can have a talk here, talk about all the aspects related to the overall organization's marketing. And say if you've got a video team, they could be talking here. You've got a blog team, they could be talking here. So you only need to see the conversations that are relevant to you. And you can see up here in my inbox, if I click that, here's where a lot of the conversations are coming in. So I'm constantly notified of what's going on if it's relevant to me. So this will work for conversations I'm following and anytime someone ats me. One other type of communication you may need to do with your team is to make sure projects are on track. And there's a very simple way of doing that. You'll see underneath your project name, if you click on a project, we're going to go back to the video marketing. There's progress here. And I'm able to set a status. Everything going well. You'll see here, it says set a status, just a drop-down menu. They're on track, at risk, or off track. This is great for knowing what priorities you have. If something's at risk, do people need to start focusing on it now? If it's off track, well, how are we going to get it back on track ASAP? What's the reasons it's off track? On track. So we're on track today. Well done, team. So you'll see that's the status title, then a status description. I can create formatting here. Just simply press post. The whole team that was working on this project will see that that's going well. And perhaps one of them will want to go in, pick, like. That should show up. There it is. You'll see at the top here, there's video marketing, and now we've got a new status saying on track. If that changes at any point, focus on this. You'll see it's turned to at risk. And the status has been updated on the screen. I hope that was helpful. And as always, if you've got any questions, leave a comment below. Also, if you have any suggestions for videos that you'd like to see, then either comment below or you can get me on Twitter at Joel Buckland. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos on branding, marketing, and digital transformation. See you next time.